And for today's video, I have for you like another swatch and review of a new launch by none other than Faces Canada. Yes, you guys, Faces Canada like recently launched a wedding collection for their nail polishes. And let me tell you, the shades are absolutely gorgeous. Like they have around 10 to 12 shades in the collection, and I have with me like 10 shades. And like always, I thought of sharing the swatches with you guys, right? The shades are really pretty because wedding season just around the corner, शादियां शुरू हो गई हैं. And sometimes क्या होता है ना, nail art कराने का time नहीं होता, though nail art looks better any day. But anyways, so you must be like कि searching for polishes की दो coats लगाए हो गया, उसमें shades हो, finishes हो to go with your various outfit of various functions happening during a wedding, right? So this is one such collection which has like gorgeous range of shades plus gorgeous range of finishes. Yes guys, you get different finishes in this one collection. You'll see once I show you the swatches. And yeah, the colors are gorgeous and perfect for this wedding season, be it like a day function, night function or whatever. So सबसे पहले देख लेते हैं swatches और उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे pricing, availability, my favorites and all that good stuff. So on to the swatches now. The first shade is A01 Rosy Affair. This is like a scattered holographic topper with a pink tinted base. This is basically a topper. It does not get opaque at all, but you can definitely pair it up with like a similar base color and it will look gorgeous. It will add like a sparkle to your nails you have never seen before. Next color is A02 Blush Hush. Now this is like a corally shade with pink undertones and it has like a golden shimmer or sheen running throughout it. This does get opaque in two thin coats, so it is a full coverage polish. You can definitely pair up this with your wedding lehengas or reception ones. This will look gorgeous on your nails and add a beautiful golden hue to your nails. Next shade is A03 Glitzy. Now this is a straight up golden topper. Again, this does not get opaque at all. This is just a topper. You can again apply it over any color to add a golden sheen or golden sparkle to your nails. Again, perfect for like any sort of day function or even a cocktail party. The fourth color is A04 Silver Fever. Now this looks like a topper, but it is like a full coverage silver glitter polish. Now this has like a texture to it, so when it dries gritty. Some people do like that finish, others don't, so you can definitely apply like 2 layers of top coat to smooth it out. Otherwise it has like silvery sparkle along with some holographic pigments to make your nails look absolutely beautiful, and this particular shade is perfect for your cocktail parties. The next shade is A05 Starry Night, and as the name suggests, it looks like starry night on your nails. This one is like red and green hexes with holographic pigment in a black tinted base. Now this does get opaque in 2 to 3 coats. Otherwise you can definitely apply it in a single coat if you just want that tinted coverage, not a full coverage, and it will look beautiful with like your sangeet nights or musical nights in a wedding. The next shade is A06 Shimmy. Now this is like a totally different color. Like I have never seen like anybody including a green in a wedding collection, but this is such a beautiful shade for a day function, be it haldi or mehendi or whatever. This will look absolutely beautiful. Now this is pretty sheer, it's not a full coverage polish. It is a green tinted base with like bluish shimmer running throughout it, but it will look gorgeous. If you want a full coverage, you can definitely apply more coats to make it full coverage, but otherwise like in a tinted base, it also looks beautiful. Next up is A07 Flying Solo. Now this is a gorgeous fuchsia shade which has like a goldeny sheen to it, goldeny pinky sheen to it. It is a full coverage polish. You can get like full opacity in 2 coats. It's not streaky, it's not patchy. It glide onto your nails to give that beautiful fuchsia color to your nails, which is perfect for like this wedding season. Next up is A08 Decked Up. Now this is again like a pink shade with heavy red undertones, and it has like golden shimmer running throughout it along with some pink speckles. Now this is a shade which also dries with a texture. It has a slight texture to it. So again, if you're not a fan of that, you can use 2 coats of top coat. Otherwise this looks absolutely beautiful, and that golden sheen when light hits your nail just make it like even better. The second last shade is A09 Plum Assignment. As the name suggests, this is a very deep dark plum shade with like a goldeny or a purpley sheen to it. Now since they're part of a wedding collection, they all have like some sort of sheen or shimmer to them. This will look gorgeous with any wedding lehenga. And since it's a full coverage polish, you can get the full opacity in 2 coats. The last but definitely not the least is A10 Space Cadet. Now it's a royal blue shade with silver shimmer throughout it, and it's like a full coverage polish. You get full opacity in 2 coats, and it's a gorgeous shade which will look absolutely fantastic in any cocktail party and give that beautiful gorgeous royal blue color to your nails. So yes guys, these were the swatches of all the 10 shades that I had from their newest launch like wedding collection nail polishes. I'm really happy like brands are coming up with all these collections now. This is so like exciting. Anyways, this is the only collection I believe I saw ki there is a multitude of finishes coming together to form a collection. Like there is something for everybody out there. Okay, now technical बात पहले कर लेते हैं. So these retail for like 149 rupees each and you get 8 ml of product. They're available on their official website, Nykaa and Amazon. मैं सारे links नीचे description box में डाल दूंगी so you can check them out. क्वालिटी की बात करें सो जैसे कि मैंने इतने टाइम से मैं बोलती हुई आ रही हूँ कि इतनी सारी फिनिशेस हैं एंड एवरी सिंगल फिनिश इज़ गॉर्जियस. लाइक द टॉपर्स आप उसको किसी भी लाइक बेस कलर के साथ पेयर कर लो. मे बी फेसेस कैनेडा की पॉलिशेस में जो बेस कलर्स हैं क्रेम कलर्स हैं उन्हीं के साथ पेयर अप कर लो. दे लुक बॉम ऑन योर नेल्स एंड या दे ग्लाइड प्रिटी स्मूथली. जो भी इनकी शिमरी फिनिशेस हैं जो टेक्सचर्ड फिनिशेस हैं दे आर नॉट वेरी गूपी और bulky. They are like very smooth. They get self leveled and they get opaque in 2 coats pretty easily. Now it's time to talk about my favorites. So my absolute favorite is this silver one. Now backstory. I love full coverage glitters, though I don't like glitters as much, but when it comes to full coverage glitters I'm all up for it. एंड दिस केम एज अ सरप्राइज क्योंकि मुझे लगा था ये भी गोल्डन का एक शेड ही होगा गोल्डन टॉपर का एंड दिस विल बी लाइक अ सिल्वर टॉपर. बट वेन आई फर्स्ट वॉच्ड इट आई वॉज सरप्राइज टू सी दैट इट्स अ फुल कवरेज सिल्वर ग्लिटर विच इज लाइक in a nail art in itself. So the one I'm talking about is A04 Silver Fever. And सही में मुझे सिल्वर फीवर हो गया इसको देख के. It's such a pretty shade, gets opaque in 2 coats as you saw on the swatches, and it has like so many things going on besides silver that it's an absolute must for a wedding nail polish collection. The second favorite, I thought it would be green because you know like I say all the time कि they're not enough green so every single green counts, or maybe एक blue shade भी था because I love my blues, but the one I'm gonna be showing you as my second favorite came as a surprise to me also, and that is A09 Plum Assignment. Oh my god you guys, I never thought that ऐसा भी कोई कलर मेरा फेवरेट हो सकता है, बट जब मैंने इसको स्वॉच किया पहली बार I was blown away because it was almost a one coater with such a beautiful finish look कि if you're a bride ना straight up तुम इसको अपनी wedding का main function के लिए पहन सकते हो and you need nothing else. It will go with so many color of lehengas ना कि like just this and your nails are ready for your weddings. सो दैट्स इट गाइज. ये तो थे मेरे टॉप 2 फेवरेट्स. वैसे तो सारे ही शेड्स बहुत प्रिटी हैं. आई कॉन्ट वेट टू लाइक क्रिएट सम ब्यूटिफुल वेडिंग नेल आर्ट्स फॉर you guys. So if you want to see what all I come up with, follow me on my Instagram here, or here I'll put my Instagram handle. Go follow me there and keep updated with all the nail arts I create using these gorgeous polishes. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you have tried these polishes or which shade was your favorite, because as I mentioned before, I'm really glad that companies are coming up with these collections for us कि हमको वही पुराने shades को revamp करके use नहीं करना पड़ता. There is an entire collection dedicated to a particular event, you know. So let me know in the comments down below which shade was your favorite. I would love to hear your thoughts on this collection. Plus, yeah, if you like this video and you want me to continue bringing you new launches, watches and reviews, then don't forget to give this particular video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free, and don't forget to ring the bell icon beside it. And as I always say, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you, keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.